So today we are discussing about list in Python. In a list in Python is a built-in data structure that allows you to store multiple items in a single variable within a single variable. And lists are mutable, and mutable means its list value can be changeable. We can update the value and delete the value and perform many operations uh, within the list. And lists are ordered. Ordered means within list, uh, if we insert value one after one and then run the program, the uh, list values index number are fixed. This is ordered. And it's also allow duplicate values, means within a list uh, we can store duplicate values also. So our list is looking like this. So let's create a list like integer list. If we take integer list, it's look like now equal to, and a list is created using square brackets and can hold different data types. Within an array, like in C or Java, within an array we can store only similar data types, but in list we can store different data types like integer, string, and float within a single list. So num equal to, this is our list format. This is our integer list. We can create string, fruits like apple, banana, like this. And we also can create a list mixed data type, means within a list we can store float, string, integer, like that. Mixed, so we can store 10, hello, a float value also, and a boolean value also, like that. If we print the list, print mixed, so here our output. Within a list we can perform so many operations also, and we can access list elements using indexing, and list is start zero indexing based, means within a list our first value is zero indexed. Copy. If we perform this, anything, so we want to access the list elements using indexing. For this we can print um, fruits and index number is 0. That means our first index is 0. This is our first index. First index value is apple, and this is our second index, and this is our third index, and this is fourth index. So our indexing is, this is 0 index, this is 1 index, this is index number 2, and this is index number 3. Let's access the index. And we can print, if we want to print index number 1 also. So we can see our output is apple and banana. And in a list we can also perform negative indexing. So negative indexing is start from reverse. This is our -1 index, this is our -2 index, this is our -3rd index, and this is our -4th indexing. So if we want to print -1 indexing, we can also print, and if we want -2 indexing, so we can see that this is our 0 index, this is our index number 1, and this is our reverse indexing. Means reverse indexing start from -1, not from 0, and this is our -2 index. So here we are performing slicing operation. Slicing means within a list we can uh, take we can print one after one element using indexing, means using slicing operation. In slicing we will write print, then list name, and third bracket 1. 1 means this is the starting index from where we want to access the list element, and 4. 4 means uh, 4 means the last index. 4 means the last, means ending index. So 1 means from 1 to 4. 4 this is the last index, but we will not count this indexing number. So 1, 2, 3 will be the output. In slicing, the last index is not countable. So here we can write, we can it perform 1 unto n minus 1. It will be printed. So 1 is the starting index, after that it will go for 2, and after that it will go for 3. So our output will be 1, 2 and 3. Then after that semicolon, we will also write colon 3. This means this blank space means this is our first, means from starting from the list, starting elements within a list to index number 2, we will want to access the elements, means we want to access from starting to index number 2. So our output will be 0, 1 and 2. This will be printed. And after that, if we write blank place and blank and write 2, these 2 means, this first blank place means from starting index we want to access, and then blank place means we want to access the full list within with all the elements within the list, and these two means we want to step we want to print every second element, means first we will want to print 0, after that 2, after that 4, means every second element we will want to print. So our output will be 0, 2, after that 4, after that 6. And using slicing we also can perform negative indexing. So run this, we can see that this is our output. After that we will want to modify a list. For modifying a list, first we want to so if this is our list, we can modify this list because list is a mutable data structure. So if this is our list, we can change the list by using indexing. Here is this. Fruits index number 1 means this index 0 and 1. In this index we don't want banana, we want to blueberry. We want to print blueberry in index number 1. That's why we will write fruits index number 1 equal to blueberry and print the fruits. So we'll see the banana replaced by blueberry. Let's see. This is our, so we can change or we can modify the list. After that we also can append the list using append. This is our append function. So fruits dot append mango. This means append function always adds the element at the end. Means mango will be add after cherry. So let's, if we want to print fruits, we can see mango is added after cherry. After that we will perform insert function also. For the insert function, our fruit is fruits dot insert, and in insert function perform using indexes. For this, first we have to type index number, in which index we want to add the orange. We want to add orange index number 1, and after that we will write what element we will to insert. So insert one in the one index banana, we will want to convert it banana replaced by orange. So we can see that not replace, insert means add. So we can see that first element means 0 index is apple, and in 1 index, because 1 we will write 1, with 1 index we will insert orange, then banana, then cherry. Insert function inserting the elements using indexes. So we are performing on remove operation. So if this is our list and we will write fruits dot remove means please remove this banana. After we print the fruit value, means after removing banana we want to print this list. So you can see that banana will be not in the list, only apple and cherry within a list will be within a list. So you can see that only apple and cherry which within a list. After that we also can perform pop operation. For pop operation, if we write fruit dot pop, only last element will be removed, and if we write pop and 1, that means only remove the element which is on the first element, first index, means first index element will be removed. So if we perform this and after we print the list once again, fruits, first we will perform pop operation. So you can see that only last element will be removed and this apple is still within a list. And if we perform pop 1 operation, the apple will also be removed. So after that we will perform del operation. For del operation we will create. So del operation delete the fruits which is index number 0, means del operation is also performed by indexing. If we del the fruits and after print the fruits, print, we can see index number 0 means apple will not in the list. So we can see the apple is not within the list. After that, clear operation. Clear means the list will be clear. We print. After that, we print the after clearing the list. If we want to printing the list fruits, we can see there is no element within the list. So this is the blank place because all elements is cleared. After that, we will performing loop operation within a list. In the Python, there are two types, mainly three types, but mainly basically three types, but mainly two types is list here. Here we will first perform for operation. If this is our list, we want to uh, take elements, access elements using loops. This is the syntax. For fruit in fruits, print fruits. The output will be apple, banana, and cherry. Also, we can print using while loop also. So here we will use while loop for accessing the elements. Here I equal to 0, I will initialize with 0, and then length fruits I less I greater I less than length fruit means I will run less means here length is 3 means I will run from 0 to 2, and then print the fruits index 0 means in index number 0 the print will be apple, in index number 1 it is banana, it will be printed up one after one, because one after one, that's why I equal to I plus 0, I is incremented by 1, and after that the while loop will also while loop after that I will also here and check and then printed the value. While loop is working. So you can see apple, banana, and cherry. After that, we will uh, talk about list comprehension. In list comprehension is the way where we can. It's a shortcut way to write the codes within a list. So if our list is this and we want to print fruits using for loop, then we can write this type. First statement should be printing statement. After this, it will go for statement. For fruit in fruits. Fruits means this, and print fruits. It will also works. It will also print it apple, banana, and cherry like that. After that, if we want to check the in the list items within this list item that fruits item exist or not, we can do that. So fruits is this list and print banana in fruits. So banana within the fruit list it's true. So it will be returned true. This is true. So this is the way where we can check the item is exist or not within a list. After that, we also can find the list length using length function. The length function will tell us the length of the list, means how many elements within a list. So if we run the program, we can say there are 3 elements within a list, so our output is 3. After that, we'll talk about concatenation. of a list. Means we want to concatenate a list, means we want to add a list after adding a list. Means we want to merge the two lists. If list 1 is this and list 2 is this, we can combine this list using concatenation. If we combine the list 1 plus list 2 means merge the list, then we print the combined, our output will be 1 2 3 then 4 5 6. So you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the concatenation process within a list. After that, repeat list means if our list repeated is equal to list 1 into 2, means this is our list 1 and it will be printed into 2 times. So if we print, we can see that our output will be 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So we can see 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. This will be our output. If we write here we want to print list 1 3 times, we also can do that. List 1 will be printed 3 times. So we can see that. After that, we will perform sorting operation within a list. So for sorting operation, let's take number list. So for sorting operation, this is our list, and if we write numbers dot sort and then print the numbers, this output will be sorted. Means we'll see the output is sorted list. Means 1 2 then 5 then 9 5 5 then 9. So 1 2 5 5 then 9. After that, we also this is the ascending order. We also can print the list in descending order also. For descending order, we will write numbers dot sort reverse equal to true. Means first it will reversing the list and then it will sort the list. So you can see 9 5 5 2 1. That's mean we can reverse the list also using reverse function. So this is very easy to reverse a list using reverse function. Numbers dot reverse and then print number. This reverse function will print reversing the whole list. We can see 9 5 5 2 1. This is our reverse list. After that, we want to sort the list without using without changing the original list. So if our list is this, we also can do that using sorted without change. If this is our list and we can sorted the number, means here also we will sorted the numbers 1 2 3 4. This sorted function will use where we don't want to change original list. And then once again list comprehension where here we perform some operations. We will create a list using list comprehension where every element of the list is square of the number. Means from 1 to 5 every element should be printed the square from in the list. And for even numbers, x for x in range within tens, means 0 to 9, the every element should be printed which is modulus by 0. So if we run the program, we can see that this is the square and this is the even number the list. So we can also copy a list using copy function like this. If this is our original list, and we can create a copy list by using copy, and using slicing also we can perform the copy list original using slicing, and copy list using list also we can perform. Print origin.